Welcome to my new blog post 36. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about organizational process assets, which are with respect to processes, policies, and procedures. So let's start. So generally, processes, policies, and procedures are usually established by the project management office or any other function outside the project. These can be updated only by the following the appropriate organizational policies associated with the updating processes, policies, or procedures. Some organizations actually encourage the team to tailor the templates, life cycles, and checklists for the project. In these instances, the project management team should tailor those assets to meet the needs of the project. So the organizational processes and procedures for conducting project work actually include initiating and planning and executing, monitoring, and controlling. Now, right now, I'm going to discuss about these processes, policies, and procedures with respect to initiating and planning. So first one is guidelines and criteria for tailoring the organization's set of standard processes and procedures to satisfy the specific need of the project. Then specific organizational standards such as policies, for example, human resources policies, health and safety policies, security and confidentiality policies, quality policies, procurement policies, and environmental policies. Then comes the product and project life cycles and methods and procedures. For example, project management methods, estimation matrices, process audits, improvement targets, checklists, and a standardized processes definition for the use in the organization. Then comes the templates, project management plan, project documents, project registers, report formats, contract template, risk categories, risk statement templates, probability and impact definitions, probability and impact matrices, and stakeholder register templates. Further, it could be pre-approved supplier list and various type of contractual agreements, for example, fixed price, cost, reimbursable, and time and material contracts. So this is it for the current blog post. Now let's come towards our star question. So the question is, a project manager who is currently working on a project planning, he needs to create a project plan. Which OPA should he use? Project document, project registers, project schedule, or project management plan? So answer actually lies in this video. So please do not forget to answer the question in comment section of this video.